Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by importing your clip and confirming project frame rate and resolution so tracking math matches the footage. Next, create a new planar layer and draw a tight spline around the feature you need to track. Include stable surrounding texture. Once drawn, choose the tracking modules: translation, rotation, shear, and scale, so Mocha models real motion. Make sure to mark any occlusions or motion blur now. That prevents drift. Now you're ready to run the forward track. Run the forward track and then backtrack to verify consistency. Mocha's subpixel results reveal drift. Pause where the track degrades and use Adjust Track to nudge the spline, or add keyframes for transient occlusions. Once done, refine with smaller roto shapes around problematic areas and enable translation-only tracks where necessary, because limiting parameters reduces error. If the object rotates or skews, toggle scale and shear and retrack those segments. Make sure to reevaluate the entire clip after each local correction. Export the needed data, corner pins, transform, or tracking data, matching your host application format and frame. Once imported, apply the track and view the overlay to ensure alignment through the full shot, then bake or settle final keyframes. If you see drift, don't panic. Pre-stabilize the footage, increase search area, or track a larger, more textured area and re-export. One key troubleshooting tip: when motion blur or occlusion causes failure, pre-render a short reference clip and track that stabilized version for accuracy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.